Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm excited to show you our fresh fashion collection for 2025, featuring clean designs, soft tones, and modern styles that suit everyday life. Let's start with our everyday comfort outfits. These dresses are light, smooth, and super easy to carry. They're perfect for simple meetups, morning routines, or a relaxed day outdoors. The colors are soft, the patterns are neat, and the overall look stays stylish without any extra effort. Now let's move toward our modern style segment. These outfits come with subtle details, flowing shapes, and a polished finish that gives you an elegant appearance. Ideal for small celebrations, gatherings, or any moment where you want to look graceful yet comfortable. So that was a quick preview of our 2025 fashion collection. Tell me in the comments which look you like the most. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and stylish content every week. Thank you so much for watching. Stay positive, stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next video.